Hello there, you are welcome to Henry's class, a channel where we make learning so easy and absorbable. If this is your first time of watching our video, kindly consider subscribing to the channel. We have a lot of content for you. So now this is BECE 2025 in focus. BECE 2025 in focus. And the first question reads that in a survey conducted at Medina Market, the results showed that 1/4 of the traders who sell tomatoes also sell meat. 2/5 sell only tomatoes and 11/20 sell meat. A. What fraction of traders sell tomatoes? B. What fraction of traders sell only one item? C. Find the number of traders involved in the survey if 5 traders sell neither of the two commodities. So this is our first question, and let's provide solutions to it. So in our solution, so the question says that a survey was conducted at a market, and it shows that 1/4 who sell tomatoes also sell meat. That means that those who sell both meat and tomatoes happens to be 1/4. Then those who sell tomatoes happens to be let's see, so 1/4 who sell tomatoes also sell, yes, so 2/5 sell only tomatoes, and 11/20 sell meat. So A, what fraction of traders sell tomatoes? So A. Now, as it was stated, those who sell tomatoes and sell meat are 1/4. So this 1/4 is a combination of meat and tomatoes. And it was also stated that 2/5 sell only tomatoes. So if you want to find the fraction of traders who sell tomatoes, it is those who sell both meat and tomatoes and those who sell only tomatoes. So that will be so fraction of tomatoes will be 1/4 for both and then 2/5 for only tomatoes. So we are going to apply the operations on fraction. The LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. Then we consider, so 4 will reduce 25 times. So it means that 1 will be multiplied by 5. 5 reduces 24 times, 2 will be multiplied by 4. So we have 1 times 5, which is 5, and 2 times 4, which is 8. So that will give us 13/20. So fraction of traders who sell tomatoes is 13/20. Now B says, what fraction of traders sell only one item? What fraction of traders sell only one item? Now we know only tomatoes to be 2/5 as it was stated in the question. Now we don't know only meat. Only meat was not stated. Only meat was not stated, but meat was stated. Meat. Traders who sell meat, and the fraction was 11/20. So to find only those who sell only one item, we need to find those who sell only tomatoes, which you already know to be 2/5. Then those who sell only meat, then we add the answers together. So we add only tomatoes plus only meat, but we don't know only meat, so we need to find it. So we'll say only meat is equal to, so how do we find those who sell only meat? It is very simple. We just subtract those who sell both meat and tomatoes from those who sell meat as a whole. we just subtract those who sell both meat and tomatoes from those who sell tomatoes as a whole. So 11 over 20 is those who sell meat, so we just subtract 1 over 4. Since 1 over 4 is both those who sell both meat and both meat and tomato, so the LCM will be 20. So automatically I'll have 11 minus 5. Why is 11 minus 5? 20 reduces this 1. 1 times 11 is 11. 4 here, 5. 5, 1 is 5. So 11 minus 5. That will give me 6 over 20. 6 over 20. We can further reduce 6 over 20 to 3 over 10. 3 over 10. So we are not done. We are now going to find only one item. So only one item will be, that's only tomatoes, 2 over 5 plus only meat, that is 3 over 20. So the LCM will be 20. 5 reduces 24 times 4, 2 is 8. 20 into 21, 1 3 is 3. That will give us 11 over 20. Okay, so there is a correction here. It's 3 over 10. We reduce this to 3 over 10, not 3 over 20. So let's do that correction. So here is 1. Here is 1. So we are going to find the LCM of 5 and 10, which is 10. So 5 reduces 10 4 times. So this happens to be 4. And then 5 reduces 10 reduces 10 1, so it's still that. So 4 plus 3, that is 7. So the final answer is 7 over 20. Then let's go to the last one, which is C. C says that find the number of traders involved in the survey if 5 traders sell neither of the two commodities. So we need to find the number of traders involved in the survey if 5 of them sell neither of the two commodities. So here, how do we do this? It is very simple. Very simple and easy to do this. So now let's do that C over here. So now we don't know the fraction left for those who do not sell any of the two items. We do not have the fraction for those who do not sell any of the two items. So our duty now is to find the fraction of traders who do not sell any of them. So how do we find that? Now we believe that total fraction, this is a question on fraction spent and fraction left. Total fraction is always equivalent to 1. So here, what do? We need to subtract all the fractions from 1, and the remaining fraction will be the fraction for those who do not sell any of the item. So we'll say let fraction for neither tomatoes or meat be equal to x. So x represent that. So we'll say x is equal to, so the total fraction 1 minus, then let's open brackets. So the first thing there will be tomatoes only, and those who sell tomatoes only is 2 over 5. So 2 over 5. We add all that and then we subtract it from 1. Plus those who sell both tomatoes and meat, which happens to be 1 over 4. Plus those who sell only tomatoes, only meat, which was 6 over 20 and further reduced to 3 over 10. So we say x is equal to 1. Let's simplify what is in the brackets. So the LCM of 5, 4, and 10 happens to be 20. 5 reduces 24 times 4 times 2 is 8. 4 reduces 25 times 5 times 1 is 5. 10 reduces 22 times 2, 3 is 6. So we have x is equal to 1 minus 8 plus 5 plus 6. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 6 is 19 over 20. So we are not done. We are going to simplify this. So we have our 20 here. 20 times 1, 20. 1 times 19, 19. So we have 1 over 20. So the fraction for neither meat nor tomatoes is 1 over 20. So we'll say if 1 over 20, which is neither tomatoes nor meat, is equal to 5. Why 5? Because it says that if 5 traders sell neither of the two commodities, and here the fraction representing neither of the two commodities is 1 over 20. So if 1 over 20 is 5, then it says what? Find the number of traders. The total number is 1, which is the total fraction, and we don't know that. So if 1 over 20 is giving us 5, 1 will give us more because 1 is greater than 1 over 20. So if more, let's divide. So that will be 1 over 1 over 20, less is dividing, times 5. You see this to be very strange. It's simple. 1 divided by 1 over 20 times 5 this way. So we have 1. Now reciprocate. That will be 20 over 1 times 5. And if you simplify this, your final answer will be 100. So therefore, 100 people were involved in the survey. If you want to prove your answers, it's very simple. We have a calculator here. Let's see if our answers are true. So now, first, we said 1 over 4 of the traders sell tomatoes. So 1 over 4 times 100. That is 25, right? Okay. So when we add up everything, we should get 100. Tomatoes only. Sorry, both tomatoes and meat. That's both. Then we said 2 over 5 sell only tomatoes. That is 40. 40. Then we said 3 over 10 sell only meat. That is 30. That is 30. And we said the fraction for those who sell neither, that is 5. Yes, 5, representing the fraction 1 over 20. You see it's still 5. It's 5. So if you have to add up, so 25 for both, 40 plus only tomatoes, 30 for only meat, plus 5 for neither, 100. You see, it corresponds 100. So this is our final answer, 100. So thank you for watching. We have other 2 more questions to go through. So let us look at that in the next session.